Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Metaquest Oculus using the app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metaquest application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the feed page, from which if you wish to delete your account, then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. You can now tap on settings from this page. And now tap on Account Center at the top section. You can now tap on Personal Details underneath Account Settings, which will take you into your Personal Details page, where you will see the Account Ownership and Control option. Tap on this option and you will see the deactivation or deletion button. You can tap on this button and you will have the option to deactivate or delete your Meta account. After choosing your account that you want to delete that is associated with your Metaquest Oculus account, you can tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to review your purchases before you continue forward with deleting your account. After reading all of the instructions carefully, tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to enter your account password to verify your identity. After you enter your password and proceed forward, you will be logged out from your account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this step, make sure not to log back in for at least 2 weeks in order to permanently delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on Metaquest Oculus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.